Hello world, I'm a seasoned UI developer with over 3 years of experience. As a full-stack developer, I specialize in crafting seamless user interfaces and possess expertise in hosting, managing live projects, and navigating AdSense. I'm here to share valuable insights and knowledge that can elevate your understanding of UI development and beyond. Let's delve into the world of coding together where precision meets creativity. Looking forward to our coding journey. Let's break down the CSS in a more conversational way. Setting the basics. Ensure that all elements on the page have no extra spacing around them and fit neatly in their boxes. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box winky face. Creating the page look. The main background color of the page is a dark. The page adjusts to different screen sizes using a flexible layout. Designing the cards. Each card has a fixed size. Cards get a unique look by changing their colors using the hue rotate filter. Inside each card, there's a box with a red border and shadow box shadow. Card is like. The main content of each card has a gradient background and a specific shape clip path. There are elements like dot top, dot side, and dot main creating additional visual effects. Adding interactivity on. Hover. When you hover over a card, it gets a bit bigger. Transform. Scale 1.1. Certain elements inside the card move or change, creating a dynamic effect. The card's title appears with a smooth fade-in. Buttons at the bottom move upward one after another. In simpler terms, the CSS is like a set of instructions for the web page to look cool and do interesting things when you interact with it. It's all about making the page visually appealing and engaging.